Hi everyone, welcome to Screaming Kids Singapore. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace the wiper rubber. So this is the wiper and this is a shorter one for Toyota Noah, and there's a longer one. So there will be 3 pieces in total. So this is actually for the shorter one in front. This is for the rear wiper, and this one is a longer piece, okay, for the left side. It only cost me about $6 for these 3 pieces. Okay, so I was advised by the seller of this wiper rubber or wiper blade to not take out the rear wiper. That means he said just to replace the rubber directly without taking out the wiper blade, because he claimed that the clips actually will be damaged easily for the rear, but for the front he mentioned that it is okay to take it out. So let's try. So I actually took out the key. Okay, this is from our key. Okay, so I actually took it out, okay, by pressing the button, and I took it out. I use this. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you want. Okay, so you just pry open the clip. So this is a U hook. So what you can do is you just push it in. Okay, so it's a U hook. Can you see the U hook? So once you want to put it back, you can just put it in and you hook it back. Okay, so now I have taken this out. So I'm going to try to replace the wiper blade. Okay, if you look at the wiper blade, so you realize there is this metal part inside that is holding on to the rubber. Okay, so on both sides you can see that inside the groove there is this metallic blade. Okay, so if you look at the rubber itself, okay, you can see that there are grooves. Okay, so if you compare, and you should know where the metallic piece should go, it should be on the top groove. Okay, the groove, the one on the upper end. So this is how it should be. So let's try to take it out. Okay, you realize there are some clips here, so I will have to pry them out. It's my first time taking this apart, so I'm not really sure how to actually take it out. So maybe I can slide it out. Is there any way? Oh, so basically I just tear it out this way. Okay, I think taking it out may be easy, but putting it back might be difficult. Okay, so everything is out now. So this is the old rubber. Throw it aside, and let's try to put the new one in. Okay. So I should have this on both sides. So let's try to fit the metallic piece into the wiper. Okay. So try to make sure both these blade, they are facing the same direction, and the one with the groove, they are actually on the right side. Okay, so oops, the other side drop out. Okay, it's not easy. Okay, now I need to slide this whole thing back into the casing. So I'm not sure whether I should slide from this direction or the other direction. Let's try. Okay. So I have to slide through all this holder. There is some. So you see, you have to go through the second groove, and okay, looks quite smooth until now. So I think this part, it is supposed to hold on to this little groove here. If I have inserted it in the right direction, because I see that this side we also have it. Okay, so it looks the same to me. Both sides, they have that. On both ends they have this similar catcher. Should I call it catcher? Okay, so if I slide it in, so this part should go into that little hole. Yes, so that you lock it in place, then it doesn't slide anymore. Okay, so once it goes into that groove, it doesn't slide. Okay, this side there isn't anything that is holding on to it. Okay, but this is the side that is holding on to it. But I guess if you slide it, if you fit this groove on the other side, I guess it might work too, because it looks similar in construction to me. So from either way, left or right. Okay, so now let's try to put it back. Okay, so this is the one which I have replaced the rubber. So just need to put it back the same way. Open this catch and let the hook goes through, and pull it back. Okay, make sure that it doesn't drop. It's quite secure now. Then you clip it back. Okay, so it shouldn't drop. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so I just need to continue with the longer wiper and the one behind. It should be similar. Okay, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe Screaming Kids Singapore. Hope to share more DIY videos with you. Thank you. Bye.